In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add admin in Meta Business Suite. In order to do that, you first need to head over to business.facebook.com and you should be able to see in here this. You can log in to your business tools from Meta by logging in using your Facebook or Instagram or creating a new account. You can also log in with the Manage Meta account if you would want to as well. So on my case, I already have in here my Facebook, so let me just log in with my Facebook directly. Here is my actual Meta Business Suite. So in order to actually add an admin, on your left hand menu, you can see this sidebar. Now from in there, you can find users, but if you can't find it, you can click on the settings option. Then after that, it should be able to show you right here all of the settings that you can choose from. We have in here users, and you can see in here every user that we currently have. So in order to add an admin, you just need to click onto this invite people option that we have onto this part. After this will load, you can enter their email right here. Let me head over and enter a person's email. Once you have inputted right here their email, you can head over and then add in here some additional settings like giving them just temporary access that expires on a specific date, or you can also give them indefinite access. Click on next, and you can give them partial access or full control on everything. On my case, I'll just give them partial access, and after that, click on next. You can choose right here the Facebook pages or add accounts or catalogs that will have them right there. So let's add them right here onto this and give them access to these tools as well. Now after that, head over and click on next option. Review the invitation and click on this invite. And after that, they will be invited directly. You need to make sure to verify your account as well in order to do this. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.